Hello and welcome back. I have here a little temperature controller. It comes with its own sensor and it has a relay. You can find it around $2 including the shipping to your door. So it's really cheap and it's really useful. You can set the temperature, and when it reaches the temperature the relay will be activated. So this is perfect in your power supply or in your electronic load. And that's exactly what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna put this in my electronic load. I'm gonna I'm gonna fix this sensor to the heat sink, and when it reaches like 40 or 50 degrees I will connect the fin, and then it will pull out all the heat from the electronic load. So let's see, I will make a little setup and we can test it how it works. Okay, I have here a big resistor which I will heat. I put some tape to fix the sensor. This will be the power supply I will be using to heat the resistor. I will put it right here. I just put it on heatsink because I don't want it to melt through the table, of course. Here I have the temperature controller. And the temperature controller works on 12 volts, as my ventilator also does. So I just looped, I just put 12 volts, and the minus of the fan I just put with the minus of the board, and the plus 12 volts goes in the controller, and I looped it through with this little loop underneath here. I looped it through to the relay, and then the output of the relay I connected the fan like this. So that's very simple. So what I will do, I will put the sensor, and first we just don't heat anything, we're just gonna see what happens. So I will put on the 12 volts right here. Well, according to the sensor it is 25. So there is a set button, a plus and a minus button. So I will just push on set. It starts blinking. On 30 I'll just go up. Okay, it goes by 10, so let's go up to 40 degrees Celsius, that is 40. Push the set button again and it is set to 40 degrees. So let's see. Okay, here we have to set up the resistor. We have the power. I will switch that on. It's all to 0, so it's not getting hot. The power is on the temperature controller. Here it is. I will not touch it. The only thing I will do, you can see the ventilator is static. I hope you can see. We can put a little tape to make it more visible. It will unstabilize the fan, but at least you can see it will be turning. So just we turn up the heat, and we should be able to see that at some point. Okay, we put 10 watts on the resistor. It is not really heating, so we put 20 watts. And there you see the temperature is already rising. Let's put some more power. Let's go to 30 watts. That is also not fast enough. Let's put 60 watts on the resistor, and then it should go up. Let's put some more. 80 watts. Okay, there it goes. And when it reaches 40, it should. And there it is. Well, of course it's not gonna go down because the ventilator is not blowing on the resistor, so we'll just turn it down. Okay, it is still going down. It's at 52 degrees. I have here some compressed gas you can use to clean, but if you put it upside down you can use it as a coolant. So let's cool the resistor a little bit, and there it is. It switches off again. So that's it. I would say that is $2 well spent. It's very versatile. You can use it in your power supply or electronics load. Yeah, I like it already. I will build it in when I receive my casing for the electronic load. I will also make a video about that when the project is finished. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.